Brought to you by Probo.
ऐसे ही हाँ और ना का गेम है प्रोबो, द पावर ऑफ यस एंड नो।
The activity on this platform may be habit forming or financially risky. Participate responsibly.
Firstly, the Spartan Race has launched its India edition. This also opens up more avenues for Indians to participate and win medals at the LA 28 Olympics, because given how Indians are very naturally good at circumventing obstacles, what do you feel?
That's a little maybe over the top. Yes, I think Indians are very good at trying to circumvent certain obstacles, but over here you can't. Over here it's a matter of challenging yourself to get better, challenging yourself to overcome those obstacles. This is a completely different thing. In sport, there are no shortcuts. Anytime you try and take shortcuts in sport, you will find that you fall down. So I think the Spartan Race will give you the opportunity to learn how to get over sporting obstacles and get to the top.
Speaking about the recent disappointing news coming in from Paris, Vinesh Phogat.
That I think we should leave for the moment, because you've come here for this Spartan thing. Don't worry about that.
So also we see that lots and lots of new varieties of sports that keep coming in, because especially Olympics this year has been like, we sent a lot of massive contingent and we didn't win as many medals. So now with a new additional sport coming in the form of an obstacle race, that increases our medal hopes and chances. Yes,
It gives you 4 years to prepare for anything. I think if you have time to prepare, it makes a lot of difference in the sense that you will be able to train yourself. The first time you race, which is happening at the end of the year, you will come to know what are the difficulties and what you need to do, how much training that you need to do to be able to get better and better over the next 3-4 years. So I think that is going to be the big key.
so Indians are naturally good at creating and scripting history. Like you and Kapil Dev and company won the World Cup for the first time when nobody expected. Same way Manu Bhaker is the first Indian woman to win 2 medals, that in shooting, sir.
Yeah, fantastic. That is absolutely fantastic, and I just hope that we have situations where we win more and more medals in the future.
मैच से जुड़े आपके हर सवाल का हम देंगे जवाब। जानने के लिए हर अपडेट, लाइव एनालिसिस, स्पेशल इंटरव्यूज, डाउनलोड कीजिए स्पोर्ट्स तक ऐप।